Introducing the FE14, your new go-to printer. A true drop-in replacement for both the DW14 and Zebra models. Built new, never remanufactured. With Henxler's patented technology, you get fewer jams, faster performance, and zero compromises. Every FE14 arrives brand new, factory sealed. No cores, no rebuilds. Inside the box, you'll find the FE14 printer, our universal drop-in cable, and optional accessories like the low paper sensor. It's ready to replace both DW14 and Zebra printers right out of the box. Replacing a DW14 is quick and easy. Unplug the power and data cables. Lift out the old printer and drop in your new FE14. Plug in the cables and you're back to printing in seconds, with improved jam resistance and cleaner cuts thanks to Henxler technology. The diagnostic printout shows the tech certain metrics, such as the number of prints, number of paper loads, and number of paper jams. Need to replace a Zebra printer? The FE14 does that too. Just unplug, lift out, and route your data cable up through the wedge. Plug it into the FE14. Change your settings to serial printer, and you're good to go. One printer, two platforms, zero headaches.